Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru Outback Limited XT. XT means this is the turbocharged version. This is autumn green metallic on black interior. Good amount of room, good amount of headroom, really nice. Total price for this comes in at just under $40,000 at $39,398. Without further ado, let's go for a drive after, So this whole screen area is all brand new. This is Subaru's new design language. Pretty cool. I'm definitely a fan of it. Yeah, let's go ahead, take it out on the road. Once we get onto the main road, I'll change it over to manual. But for right now, it will be in automatic stay. That is really cool. Really good amount of power. It's almost on the level of the WRX, which is saying something. Those of you wanting a WRX hatch, here it is. Give me one of these in a manual with the turbo. I'd be set for life. This one is fitted with the CVT transmission. As far as I'm aware, that's the only transmission option available for the Outback. It's a very good CVT, honestly. I've driven some pretty crappy ones, and this isn't one of them. This also has driver eye recognition, so it knows when you're not looking at the road. That is pretty cool. I'm sure you can disable that if you so choose, but if you're giving the car to your son or daughter or something like that, and you're worried about them using the phone, it takes care of that worry. In fact, because I think if I tilted my head, oh, the camera's throwing it off. Yeah, because the camera has a big eye. That makes sense. That's all through here. That little black strip is all of your user recognition. So say you have a household of 4 people, yourself, your significant other, and 2 children. Let's say both children are driving age. You can set up user profiles, so when you get inside, the car scans your face, facial recognition, and all your preferences and stuff will be good to go. It's a pretty smart idea, one that we've seen definitely evolve in the smartphone world of facial recognition And of course, Subaru would be the one to bring it to market. This is, I think, the first iteration of it. Definitely the first I've seen. This also has Harman Kardon audio. Definitely a great sounding unit. There we go. That triggered it. So you look off to the side for too long, it chimes saying, hey, focus on the road. I am not sure how that works with sunglasses. It might be very similar. If it's working with my camera on, then it's gonna work with your sunglasses. Because if you don't know what I look like right now, that's it. And plus, I don't think it's based on your actual eyes themselves, more of your head. So if you're driving and you're just looking down, it won't go off. Whereas if your head's down, it's gonna go off. But it's pretty cool. I definitely like the turbocharged power plant. It's a really, really torquey motor. Has a good amount of oomph to it. More than what I would need in my day-to-day use. Does have auto start stop, which is active right now. Yeah, this is a really, really nice, comfortable, essentially wagon. It's pretty much what the Outback is a wagon. What's nice is it does tell you how much time the auto start stop has been active, as well as how many gallons of gas you would be, or you're saving from not idling. Of course, like every other auto start stop, the second you take your foot off the brake, it starts and you're good to go. Alright, so it did work. Nice. That is your forward collision warning. So if you're closing distance on the car in front too fast for your liking, or for the car's liking pretty much, it will pull up the object detected, collision imminent, if you don't make driver intervention. It's a really, really good system. You can adjust the sensitivity to it. Right now I have it all the way up for demonstration purposes. That way I don't have to actually cause an accident for it to go off. Because you know what? That's not good. That is phenomenal. Wow. overall, thank you so much for watching. This is a phenomenal vehicle. I'll be completely honest. This is cool. I like this thing a lot. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.